Hello guys, today we'll be looking at how to trade Forex currency pairs. How to trade Forex currency pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. Now the first thing to do when you want to trade uh, Forex currency pairs, you need to choose one pair at a time. For example, we have Euro USD. Let it be that you are going to trade only Euro USD. So you might want to look at your charts and see how the price moves. You might want to look at the fundamentals, check for the fundamental economic and news concerning Euro as a zone, as a region, or as a part of the continent, or as what the activity that concerns Euro as a currency. You know, you have to look at those things. Look at the news. What's the news saying? What's the European Central Bank? What are they saying? You have to check that for you to know what might necessarily happen when you are trading Euro USD. Is the euro as a currency, is it weak? Is it strong? Those are the things you look out for when you want to trade Euro USD. And if you want to trade GBP USD, you have to be familiar with what is happening to the Great Britain pound. Is the pound strong? Is it weak? Is it strong? Is it against the dollar? Is it weak against the dollar? You have to look at those things. Those are the things that are very important for you to trade any currency pair. And if it is a commodity like gold, XAUSD that you want to trade, you have to look at what is happening in the metal sector. What are the metal commodities? Are metallic commodities, are they strong or are they weak? Is gold going up? Is the price of gold going up? Is the price of gold going down? You look at it over a period of time. You also look out for news that relates to gold. You don't just open your chart and start trading. You have to make some research or do some findings concerning the currency pair that you are trading at a particular time. One of the things you also look out for is you look at the higher time frame on your chart. You look out for trend. What is the trend saying on the higher time frame? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? You have to look out for this before you make your trading decision. Another thing you do is to go to the lower time frame. Okay, you go to the lower time frame and you check for price action. Price action such as if there is a breakout, are you seeing a pin bar, or can you find an engulfing bar? Is it bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing? What kind of pattern is on the chart? What kind of symmetric pattern is the chart? Is the price forming on the chart? Is it a flag pattern? What kind of pattern do you have? So you have to look out at those things before you say you want to trade maybe Euro USD or GBP USD. Okay, so after going to the higher time frame and also checking the lower time frame, you have an idea of where price might likely go to. Then you also look out for the pivot point, the daily pivot point. Daily pivot point is a very significant part of the trading currency pairs. Price relates or price revolves around the daily pivot point, and the kind of pattern formed around that pivot point at a particular period in time also plays a significant role in your trading career. So apart from the pivot point, you also check for the support and resistance on the chart. If price is at the resistance or at the support, you might want to pause, or you might want to take a particular decision. Possibly you might want to buy or you might want to sell. But at the support is always advisable that you buy at the support, and it is advisable that you sell at the resistance. But there are times where there will be manipulation, where instead of buying at the support, you need to continue to sell. Okay, so there are such times that you might also want to, instead of selling at the resistance, you may need to continue to buy. So you have to look out for those things. Then you look at the chart, preferably on the smaller time frame. When I say smaller time frame, I'm referring to 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame. You might look out for the higher high price formation or higher low price formation. This is your bullish trend. And also look out for price doing lower high formation and lower low formation. This is your bearish trend. Okay, so once you are able to identify higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low formation on the chart, you on the smaller time frame, you know the price is bearish. Okay, and or the other hand, if you are able to identify lower high, lower low on the lower time frame, you know that the price trend is bearish. Okay, so that plays a very significant role in your trading, in your day, whenever you are trading. Okay, now also another part that you must not ignore is risk management. Okay, risk management involves you knowing where you want to take profit and knowing where you want to place your stop loss. Okay, part of your risk management is when you use the ATR. If you use the ATR indicator, it can help you with, there's a way you calculate and there's a way you place your stop loss using the ATR. You can also use the Bollinger Bands for your take profit. You can use the Bollinger Band indicator for your take profit. Then part of risk management, you can also use the Fibonacci retracement tools, okay, to know where you put your stop loss, to know where you take your profit. Then another form of risk management is when you hedge your trade. Okay, instead of putting stop loss, you place the opposite trade with equal lot, or with a double lot, or with a triple lot, as regards to your equity or your account balance. Okay, so that's that for today on how to trade forex currency pairs. These not all, there are other factors or other things you have to look out for, but with this, with the few points I've highlighted, it should be able to guide you on how to trade forex currency pairs. Okay, forex currency pairs are more news dependent, more fundamental news dependent. If you have your technical analysis with most of the things I've discussed here in place, and you rule out the news, the economic calendar news affecting forex, you might be in trouble. Okay, you have to consider the news in as much as you have your technical analysis all set out. You have to consider the news, because if you place a pending order, let's say you place a buy stop, okay, and the news is released and price goes south, of course your buy stop will not be triggered. Okay, or if you have a buy trade running in line with your breakouts, in line with your technical analysis, and the news goes against the currency, of course the currency pair price will nosedive, and then your account will be in trouble. So don't rule out news. If you know how to trade the news, you can trade when news is about to be released. That is, if you know how to trade in line with fundamental analysis, you can trade when the news is about to be released. But if you are not good at news trading, it's advisable you stay out of trading whenever news is about to be released. Also, another part of how to trade is your equity, your account balance. That matters. Small account, you have to use small lot size. Big account, you may use big lot size. But when you have small account, let's say $10, and you are using 1.0 lot size, of course, your account will be blown easily. So lot size matters. So if you have $100, for instance, you might use 0.01 lot size. Of course, for that account to get blown, it will take a longer period of time compared to you using 1.0 lot size on a $100 account. That account can blow easily because you have taken a high risk on the account. So it's preferable, it's advisable for you to take low risk when you are trading Forex currency pairs so that you stay longer in the markets. Okay, the higher the risk, the higher the risks, the higher the returns. The lower the risk, the lower the returns. The higher the risk, the higher the returns, and the faster for you to get out of the market. But the lower the risk, the lower the returns, and the longer it takes for you to stay in the market. So with these few points of mine, I will be, taking a break, and I'll be coming to you next time with another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. If you are able to learn one or two things from the video, go ahead and press the like button. Okay, you can also go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade Forex. Another website of ours, fxfables.com, can also teach you on how to trade Forex currency pairs. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.